What's up, Slurpees? It's feeling good here today. It feels like autumn for the first time, and even though it's going to get back into the 90s, right now it feels like autumn. To the point where my nose is a little red because it was like a little chilly outside. Short poem today. Your wee paper is unique. This is Typewriter Series 450, and here's your wee paper. It is, in fact, a very cheap napkin. Cool. Short one, sweet one. Sometimes those pack a punch. Here we go. And from across the crowded room, I saw you smile only at me. That was originally going to be a much longer poem, but then it just stopped there because that was it. That moment felt like a poem to me. I love you a lot. Have a cool day. And if you're back to school, apologies.